Hey guys, what's happening? So Instagram has come out with a lot of updates over the past year. And well, that's what this video is all about. We're going to tell you about some of the best tips and tricks that can make use of these upgrades so that you can create better content or consume it in a better way. This is Gaurang, you're watching Kairin Tech. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the feed suggestions on your main Instagram page. Now, the thing is, Instagram has started putting up suggested posts in order to give certain accounts more reach, and all of these posts are based on your preferences. But a lot of times this can be very annoying for the users because a lot of users just prefer a cleaner feed with the posts from the accounts they follow. And there is a way you can remove such posts from your feed. Whenever you come across a suggested post, there will be a cross located right above the top right corner of the post. Tap it, and from the options that come out, tap on snooze all suggested posts in the feed for 30 days. And now your feed would not contain any of such posts for the next 30 days. And when the 30 days get over, you can do the same thing again. And apart from these suggested posts, you also see another annoying thing on your feed, which is ads. The number of Instagram ads keeps on increasing day by day, and that can get very annoying. And well, there is a way you can get a clean feed altogether. Open the Instagram app on the homepage and tap on the Instagram logo up at the top. That will open a drop-down menu, and from there, tap on the following option. And then the feed you will see will just have posts from your followed accounts with no ads or suggested posts. The order of these posts will be chronological, so the latest posts will show up first. With all of the Instagram reels we're watching every day on Instagram, the amount of data consumed while watching this can reach a hefty figure, and unknowingly we can exhaust our data limit. And for that, there is a data saver feature built right into the Instagram app. To enable that, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the lower right corner. Once your profile page opens, tap on the hamburger menu on the top right corner. From the following list of options, tap on settings, then select account, then go to cellular data usage. From the following menu, enable the toggle next to data saver. Next up, let's talk about Instagram bio. Now, it has a very basic feature. It enables the people checking out our account to know what our account is all about. But a lot of times it can be used to provide links which are regarding the different posts that have been uploaded to the account, or it can be used to tell a story with regular changes made to the Instagram bios. And well, there is a way you can access all of your Instagram bios that you've ever changed on your account. To see that, open the Instagram app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom navigation bar. Once you're on the profile screen, press the hamburger menu button in the top right corner. Select your activity option from the menu that appears, then tap account history. And now you'll be able to see an overview of the most significant account modifications made in the past, which includes all of the different changes made to the bio. Next up, let's talk about deleting posts. A lot of times people want to change the direction of their account, or they're planning to make their private account public. And in that case, a lot of times you want to delete all of your posts that you've uploaded so far. And earlier you had to go to each and every post and then delete it separately. But now there is a way you can basically delete multiple posts in one go. Open the Instagram app and head over to your Instagram profile. Then tap the hamburger menu button in the top right corner. And from the menu that appears, tap your activity. Now click on photos and videos. Then tap on posts. Here you can manage all of the different content that you posted on Instagram. In the top right corner, you will see a select button. Tap on it. And now you can select multiple photos or videos and bulk delete them. Next up, let's talk about Instagram stories. Now, while you're describing something, it's always better to have a picture of it on the Instagram story itself, especially when adding context to the story is key. And well, there is a way you can do that now. Open the Instagram app and swipe in from the left side. Select story from the bottom row of options. Record the intended video or upload it from your gallery, and then move on to the editing screen. From the editing screen, open the sticker menu, which can be done by pressing the third button from the right in the row of options at the top. Choose the photo sticker, then select the image you want to use in your Instagram story. The selected image will be a layer on top of the video. Move and resize it to match your preference. Moving along, if you're someone who uses Twitter a lot, you know how much of a pain it is to share a tweet on your Instagram story. You had to screenshot the tweet, crop it, and then put it up as a story. But now, all of that has been fixed. You do not need anything apart from just a few taps. Whenever you come across a tweet you want to share on Instagram, tap on the share button at the bottom right corner of the tweet. A share menu will come up with suggestions at the bottom. From there, find the option called Instagram Stories. Tapping on it will open the tweet on Instagram Stories editing page, which you can edit and then finally share as a story. Next up, let's talk about Reels. Now, whenever you upload a file from a gallery, to upload it as a reel or just record the reel, Instagram allows you to add effects to your voice by changing its pitch, and that can result in an extremely funny reel. And well, here's how you do that. Open the Instagram app and swipe in from the left side. And from the list of options at the bottom, swipe over to Reels. Now either record the reel or upload a saved one from your gallery. Once the video is selected or recorded, click on the next button. From the following screen, out of all the options at the top, select the music button, which is the third one from the left. And then from under the camera audio volume control, tap the edit button. And finally from here, you can apply every effect to find out the one that perfectly fits the reel. Another way to make your reels better on Instagram is using the dual camera feature. Now in this, basically the feed from your front camera and your rear camera are recorded at the same time on your phone and then uploaded as a reel. And this can come in especially handy when you're trying to record something cool right in front of you while giving your live reaction to it. And well, here's how you enable it. Just swipe in from the left side of the screen, select Reels from the row of options at the bottom. On the left edge of the screen, you will find some options. From there, select the last option shaped like a camera with a plus in the middle. That is the dual camera mode. Tapping on it will open the feed from both your front camera and the rear camera as well. And then all you need to do is hit record. Next up, it's fairly common to watch Reels or any sort of content on Instagram without any audio. We all do it. And that's where closed captions come in. Closed captions help us understand what is being said in the video or the reel without any audio to it. And it also makes the content much more accessible to the people who are hard of hearing. And Instagram has built this feature right into the Reels editor. Simply open the Instagram app and swipe in from the left side. From the list of options at the bottom, swipe over to Reels. Now either record the reel or upload a saved one from your gallery. Once the video is selected or recorded, click on the next button. From the following screen, out of all the options at the top, tap on the stickers button, which is the third one from the right. From the following tab that opens, select captions. And now the app will get to transcribing the audio. Once that is done, you can go ahead and edit the text if you see an error. You can select the style of the captions as well. Next up, let's talk about QR codes. Now, QR codes are incredibly capable when it comes to sharing something that was created digitally in the real world. And now Instagram allows you to get separate QR codes for all of your different posts that have been uploaded to your account. So if you have a great post that describes your business very well, or you have a post which basically shows one of your products and how it is being used, well, you can just get a QR code of it, print it onto your business card, or just put it onto a card which is displayed in your office. And well, this is how you get a QR code for all of your posts. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now from your profile page, tap on the post that you want to get the QR code of. Once the post is opened, tap on the three dot icon located right above the top right corner of your post. From the following menu, in the row of options that appears at the top, select the QR code option. And now you will get the option of editing the colors of the QR code. Once you're happy with the colors, tap on the Save QR Code option to save it to your gallery. And from there, you can go ahead and print the QR code or add it to any page you want. One of the latest features to be added to Instagram is Notes. Now, this is basically a small body of text that is right above the DMs on the DMs page. And the purpose of this is basically a user being able to share their thoughts, what they're thinking about, what their day is like, anything. Think of it like a Facebook status update or a tweet that is right above the DMs on the DM page. And it will be shared with the followers that you follow back or just your close friends list. And here's how you add a note. Open the Instagram app, swipe in from the right side to go to the DM section. At the top, you will see a notes section. Under it, you will see your profile picture with your note mentioned beside it. Just tap on it and write your note. You can select whether you want to share it with all of your followers you follow back or just your close friends list. Next up, let's talk about a tip that is not included or not related to all of the inbuilt features on Instagram. There can be situations where sometimes you want to see someone's story, but without letting them know that you're amongst the list of people who have seen their story, which is available to these people. And well, you can just go about this way in order to see their story anonymously. Open the Instagram app and go to the profile of the person you want to watch the stories of anonymously. Press the three dot icon on the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Copy Profile URL option and then open instagramdownloads.com on Chrome or any browser of your choice and tap on the search bar. Paste the profile link in the search bar and hit search. The user account will open, and once it does, just tap on the profile photo and watch the stories anonymously. Do note that this feature will only work with the accounts that are public, not the private accounts. And well, that's pretty much it. If you like the video, like it. If you love the video, then press the subscribe button. And beside that, you'll find a bell icon. Press that, you'll get notifications for all our videos from now on. This has been Gona, and I'll see you in the next one.